I'll tell you one thing, it is very exciting times today. They are working on the station. This will take about another 4 weeks at least. And yeah, it's looking really smooth side. But overall though, it looks so good at the minute. And I want to tell you some sad news. After all these weeks, seeing the ground paints down here, sad news to share, you can't see them now. You can't see them. They actually are behind, but you can't see them now because, yeah, obviously they have to move them, they have to put it in place to make sure it's all there. But I have to admit, the very first picture you're going to see now, that was the very first time I saw it right next to this fence here down Monk's Walk. And a lifetime memory was this picture when I was doing my updates of it coming back down here and then just saw these pins were there. But you know, it's got to be done. You've got to understand they are making this coaster to life. Reality will be here soon. It can't be long now to the viewing. Well, you can't see yet because it's not actually started yet. When it comes vertically, just think, in the next 3 months, things could change forever. But yeah, it's all happening today. The station is in the work progress, and yeah, trying to see what there is really. Right, I'm arrived, and guess what? Guess what I can see from here? That's mad, isn't it? You can actually see that from here. I'm not gonna lie, that is gonna be huge, whatever they got today. So, oh, sorry about this. I'll go have a look and see what they delivered today. So, as I check my parcels in for the day, the new advertisement for the UK's fastest roller coaster is coming. Good to see you promoting that now. Not long to go, not long to go. Can't wait to see everything changes forever very soon. That view is going to be mental next year. Wow, you can actually see it. That is mental. Oh my word, yeah. So I'm going to sort out a few things before we do anything today. The first one of the day for sure, it's the swarm. Just look at it, you've got a crane. So you've got to do this first thing if you see a crane. Right, first ride of the day has got to be done, the swarm. And the swarm is going up as we are speaking.
Little warning raining terror from the sky. Some scientists say the creatures seem programmed to destroy.
This has taken me, not kidding, 35 minutes, and it's such a slow fly today. Nearly there. I'll tell you what, confirmation, just beyond the swarm, more gold and white supports. It's now filling up the island very nicely. It's only going to get interesting as time goes on. So, yeah, that was loudspeaker then. So it is looking progressively a lot more full of ground supports for it now. And yeah, the swarm queue line today is really slow. I must admit, I have waited now for that just under an hour. Not good enough really, but it is what it is. It was worth it because I've seen a lot more track supports, or should I say the ground supports, because they haven't arrived at the track. That's what we're waiting for next. The ground supports, there's a lot more filling up on the island now. So let's carry on the rest of the day here and see what I can see today. Gotta be quite honest here, been at Monk's Walk filming some shots for you today. That's probably been my highlight. Been to the park already, did the swarm, that took absolutely ages. Did give some feedback, and hopefully the next day or a few days, the next time I'll be here, be much improvement. I don't know why it was so slow, not much communications, there was no breakdowns today, and I was a bit disappointed really, because I know I was in for a treat today, go on the swarm, wondering what that was, and I can tell you it was more white and gold piece of ground support, because it's looking pretty much half full now, but there should be a lot more fast improvements for the swarm to keep it going fast, because I was hoping to go on it again, but I thankfully saw what I was expected to see, but the queue was not good enough today. But anyway, what I'm seeing from here today is a station layout, seeing the ground pins, which I'm going to show you again, where things are, where you're going to be on and off this ride as you'll be riding it next year, which I'm really excited to see, like many of you are going to be experiencing as well hopefully next year. So I'm going to show you what the ground pins are looking like, where the supports will be going in, and hopefully that will make sense for you now. I'm going to show you again. So hopefully now that makes sense for you. Now we know the main pins are to support the actual ride, and the supports will be going in eventually. But in time, it's just every time I'm doing these updates, there's always something. And they really are working that station building really fast. The maintenance building concrete's already there. It's just now waiting to see when that actually takes in place. I'm quite interested to see if it's going to be gold colour building for this kind of maintenance building, but you know, it's just speculation here. But overall though, it's just so good to see how progressively quick this project is going to be. I'd rather they take their time as well, but they really know what they're looking for and know what they're doing, and that's the important thing. And for what I'm hearing, how things going, it sounds really, really well in there. So that's one good thing. But yes, it's a shame about today not actually in the park as much, because I was hoping to do another ride of a swarm, but because the way it was going to the way the queue was flowing, not moving a lot, it was just not good enough today. But I will be back, of course. But it's just exciting times. This is everything. This is I can only feel this ride going to be #1 next year. Much as we don't know how it's going to be yet, it's just to imagine it on our heads. Much as we can expect even more, but it's just when it comes to the actual thing, riding it, and just imagine how people are going to react on opening day for this ride. Yeah, but yeah, I'm really excited when it comes to the day that many of us can be riding it. I think it is going to be an emotional day for me personally, because this is everything right now. Much as I don't know how I'm going to feel, but it's going to be quite emotional, because I've never seen in my lifetime a record-breaking rollercoaster height to beat the big one. In our lifetime, could I even imagine we were getting this ride being built, or imagine we're going to get bigger than Stell? So much speculations over the years saying, oh, we might get something bigger one day, bigger than the big one. No, we couldn't imagine that, but now we are getting this. It's crazy. But I will carry on this update, enjoy it, and I will continue in a moment. And that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. And the station building is only going to get started now. And thanks for watching once again. Be sure to subscribe if you want to see more. And yes, here's to the future. That is August now. Can't believe it. We're on to September now. And when it goes vertical, we've got to celebrate the first vertical. Well, until I see my very first vertical in place, I will be having a pint on Oktoberfest. I will be there on the opening event on the 8th of September, which is a Friday. And I hope to see you very soon. Here we are, September's on its way. Probably the biggest time of the year with exciting stuff. See you later.